In this class, we discuss some objective problems in circles. Right, first problem. The polars of the points three comma 4 minus 5 comma 12 and 6 comma t with respect to a circle are concurrent. Then t is equal to let the given points be A, B, C. Let A 3 comma 4, B minus 5 comma 12, C 6 comma t. Polars of these 3 points with respect to a circle are concurrent. If polars are concurrent, then these points are said to be collinear. Write this note: when polars of A comma B comma C with respect to a circle are concurrent, polar of a point with respect to circle is a straight line. When 3 lines are concurrent means 3 lines passes through same point. Line 1 L1, line 2 and this is line 3. These 3 lines are said to be concurrent lines. When these 3 lines are said to be concurrent, when these 3 lines passes through single point, and this point is called point of concurrence. If the polars of 3 points with respect to circle are concurrent, then the points A comma B comma C are collinear. What are meant by collinear points? 3 points lying on same straight line, A, B, C. 3 points lying on same line. When 3 points are collinear, then slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Otherwise, you find the equation of line joining 2 points A and B, and in that equation you put the point C. If it satisfies, then these 3 points are said to be concurrent. Otherwise, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC, or that is equal to slope of AC also. Otherwise, area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. There are 3 methods for showing 3 points to be collinear. Here we take slopes. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. What is the slope of AB? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB 12 minus 4 by x2 minus x1 minus 5 minus 3 is equal to slope of BC t minus 12 by 6 plus 5, 12 minus 4 8 by minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 is equal to t minus 12 by 11 minus 1. So t minus 12 is equal to 11 into minus 1 minus 11. T is equal to 12 minus 11, that is 1. Next problem. The locus of the poles of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ax minus a square is equal to 0 is here we want to find the locus of the poles of tangents to this circle with respect to this circle. We don't know what is the pole. Let p x1 y1 be the pole. Let p x1 y1 be the pole. Then polar of p is, what is the equation to find polar of any point p? S1 is equal to 0. Polar of any point p is S1 is equal to 0. Polar of the point with respect to this circle. So to this circle we find S1. We observe that polar with respect to this circle, not with respect to this circle, with respect to second circle. To this second circle we find S1. X square is taken as xx1, y square is taken as yy1, 2ax, a into 2x is taken as x plus x1 minus a square is equal to 0. This is x into, take x common, x1 plus a, here there is a into x, plus y into y1 plus ax1 minus a square is equal to 0. Now what is given? This is the tangent to this circle. This is the tangent to first circle. This is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. When a line becomes tangent to the circle, what happens? Distance from center to that line is equal to radius. If the distance from center to that line is equal to radius, then only this line is called tangent to that circle. Okay, radius r is equal to distance from center. What is the center of this circle? Here to this circle center C is equal to 0 comma 0. Radius r is equal to A. It is a circle with center 0 comma 0 and radius A. Here this line is a tangent to this circle. So distance from center to this line is equal to radius. Distance from center to let this line equation be 1. Center to the line 1. What is the radius of the circle? A is equal to distance from any point to any line is obtained from this formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. What is x1 y1 here? Origin 0 comma 0. From this straight line, what is a value? Always compare any line with ax plus by plus c. Then what is a value? Coefficient of x, x1 plus a. What is b value? Coefficient of y, y1. What is the constant term? ax1 minus a square. A x1 0 plus b y1 into 0 plus c. What is c value? What is the constant term? ax1 minus a square by square root of a square plus b square. This is a. Now cross multiply a into root of, you expand it, x1 square plus a square plus 2a x1 plus y1 square is equal to ax1 minus a square. To remove square root, squaring on both sides. A square into x1 square plus y1 square plus 2a x1 plus a square is equal to, here we take a common. We write it as a into x1 minus a. Squaring on both sides, we get a square into x1 minus a whole square. Expand it, x1 square plus a square minus 2a x1. This a square and a square cancel. So we have x1 square plus y1 square plus 2a x1 plus a square is equal to x1 square plus a square minus 2a x1. x1 square cancel. A square cancel. y1 square is equal to, take this term to that side or write this term to left hand side. 2a x1 plus 2a x1, 4a x1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the locus of p x1 y1 is, to find locus of any point, in place of that point you write x and y. This becomes y square plus 4ax is equal to 0. What is the given point here? x1 y1. In place of x1 and y1 we write x and y. Then we get the locus. Write the next problem. If the points 1 comma 4 and minus 2 comma 3 are conjugate points with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to k, then k is equal to, what are the given points here? 1 comma 4 minus 2 comma 3. Let the points be A and B. B minus 2 comma 3. When 2 points are said to be conjugate points, polar of one point passes through other point. So find the polar of first point A. The polar of A 1 comma 4 is, polar of any point is S1 is equal to 0 with respect to this circle. What is S1 to this circle? X into x1 plus y into y1 is equal to k. But what is x1 y1 value? 1 comma 4. So x into 1 plus y into 4 or 4y is equal to k. This is the polar of A. But given that A and B are conjugate points, given that A and B are conjugate points, when 2 points are conjugate, polar of one point passes through other. We already find polar of A, this line. This line passes through the second point B. Then B, what is the second point B? Minus 2 comma 3 lies on the line x plus 4y is equal to k. Okay, now substitute this point in this line. We get minus 2 plus 4 into 3, 12 is equal to k. So k value 12 minus 2, that is 10. Next, write the next formula. First write the formula. The equation of pair of tangents from point x1 y1 to the circle S is equal to 0 is S1 square is equal to S into S11. See here, let the circle be S is equal to 0. From an external point P, x1 y1, how many tangents are drawn to this circle? This is one tangent and this is another tangent. Two tangents are drawn from external point to that circle. The equation to pair of tangents, the equation to both these tangents is S1 square is equal to S into S11. We already discussed what is S1 and what is S11 in the notation. Right? One problem on this. The equation of the tangents from the origin to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Or what is the point given here? Origin. Given point is origin. Origin means 0, 0. Find equation of the tangents from origin to the circle. What is the formula to find equation of two tangents? Pair means 2. From any point to the circle, S1 square is equal to S into S11. Write that formula. Equation of pair of tangents is S1 square is equal to S into S11. To this circle, what is S1? XX1 plus YY1. We divide this with 2. We get minus 3 into x plus x1. See here, this is taken as 3 into 2. 3 into 2x. 2x is taken as x plus x. To write S1, we write it as x plus x1 minus, here also divide y coefficient with 2, we get minus 1 into 2y is taken as y plus y1. Always to write S1 value, we divide x coefficient and y coefficient with 2, and then 2x is taken as x plus x1, 2y is taken as y plus y1 plus 8. S1 square is equal to S into, S is the given circle, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 8 into S11. S11 means substitute that point directly in the circle. What is the given point? x1, y1, 0, 0. Substitute this point in the circle. We get 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus 8. So 8. Here also you put x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 0. Then it becomes 0 plus 0 minus 3x minus y plus 8 whole square is equal to 8 into x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 8. Now simplify this. You expand this and take this into bracket. It is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square 9x square plus b square y square 8 square 64 plus 2ab. A is minus 3x, b is minus y plus 6xy 2bc minus y into 8 minus 8y into 2 minus 16y, 2ac, 8 into 3, 24, minus 24 into 2, minus 48x is equal to, take this 8 into bracket, 8x square plus 8y square minus 48x minus 16y plus 64. Here minus 48x cancel, minus 16y cancel. Take these terms to left hand side, 9x square minus 8x square, x square plus y square minus 8y square minus 7y square plus 6xy. Here also 64 cancel is equal to 0, or it is x square plus 6xy minus 7y square is equal to 0. You write it as x square plus, factorize this, 7 into 1 7, 7 minus 1 6, so it is taken as 7xy minus xy minus 7y square is equal to 0. From first two terms we take x common, x into x plus 7y. From last two terms we take minus y common is equal to 0. Now it is x minus y into x plus 7y is equal to 0. So we get two equations, x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus 7y is equal to 0. These two lines are the tangents from this point to the circle. In this way we can find pair of tangents from any point to the given circle. Next, the area of the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the formula to find area of any circle? Pi into r square, where r is the radius of the circle. So first to find radius of this circle. To find radius of this circle, we reduce this equation into standard form. What is standard form of a circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, take 2 common. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x. Take 2 common, plus 3y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Compare with the standard equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Compare with 2g is equal to minus 2, comparing x coefficients. So g is equal to minus 1. Comparing y coefficients, 2f is equal to 3. So f is equal to 3 by 2. Constant term c minus 3 by 2. What is the formula to find a radius of this circle? Radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of g square, minus 1 whole square 1, f square 3 by 2 whole square 9 by 4 minus c minus 3 by 2. Now take LCM and simplify. LCM 4 plus 9 minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6, 4 plus 9 plus 6, 15 plus 4 19, root 19 by 2, root 4 is 2. This is radius. Therefore area of the circle is equal to area of the circle. What is the formula to find area of the circle? Pi into r square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r square, root 19 square, 19 by 4, multiply 28 22 into 19 38 plus 3 41 418 by 28. Divide with 2, 209 by 14. Area is represented by square units. 209 by 14 square units. In this way, to find area of the circle, first of all we find radius of the circle. Okay.